Hello students, in this video we are going to verify the inscribed angle theorem from the topic circle of class 10th maths part 2. So for that one we must know firstly what is inscribed angle and the intercepted arc. So these are the two terms we must understand firstly to know what is inscribed angle theorem and how to verify this theorem by using the GeoGebra app. So to know inscribed angle and intercepted arc, let us have one circle. So this is the circle with center A. Suppose there is one point which is on the circle. Let that point be C. If we take another point D on the circle and there is one point B on the circle. So now if we draw one ray which passes through C and D. So for that one we have here the ray option. Then click on point C and on point D to get ray CD. Similarly, if we click on point C and on point B, we get ray CB. So this is the angle DCB, which is inscribed in arc DCB. So here we can say that angle DCB is inscribed in arc DCB. So this is the inscribed angle. And now there is another concept we must know, which is called as intercepted arc. Now as we can see here, there is one arc which is in the interior of this angle, that is arc DB. So this arc is called as intercepted arc. That is, we say that arc DB is intercepted by angle DCB as it is in the interior of angle DCB. So arc DB is the intercepted arc and angle DCB is inscribed in arc DCB. So these are the two concepts we must know to verify inscribed angle theorem. Now we'll see what is inscribed angle theorem. We know that measure of inscribed angle is half of the corresponding intercepted arc. So here angle DCB is inscribed angle and arc DB is intercepted arc. So there is one relation between the measures of these two, that is measure of angle DCB is half of measure of arc DB. So let's verify that. So for that, firstly, let us measure angle DCB. And for that, we have an option, this angle. Then to measure the angle DCB, first click on point D and then on point C and then on point B to get the measure of angle DCB as 45.03. So this is the measure of angle DCB. Now to verify whether it is half of arc DB or not, we must measure arc DB. For that one, we must draw a central angle. And we know that the measure of central angle is same as the corresponding arc. So if we draw here segment AD and segment AB, angle DAB is the central angle corresponding to arc DB. So measure of this central angle is same as measure of arc DB. So if we can measure angle DAB, which will be same as measure of arc DB. So let's measure angle DAB. For that, click on point D, then on point A, then on point B. So as we can see here, measure of this angle is 90.06 degree. So which is exactly double the measure of angle DCB, as measure of angle DCB is 45.03 degree and measure of angle DAB is 90.06 degree. So as this is a central angle, measure of arc DB is same as measure of this central angle. That is, measure of arc DB is also 90.06 degree. So here we get the measure of angle DCB, which is inscribed angle, is half of measure of arc DB, which is intercepted arc. So here we have verified the inscribed angle theorem by using the GeoGebra app. That is, the measure of inscribed angle is half of the measure of corresponding intercepted arc. So not just inscribed angle theorem, We can verify any of the principle or theorem in mathematics by using this GeoGebra. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching.